I dreamed of wings, but not my own. A buzzing bird, a techie drone, to soar above where I can't tread, with visions dancing in my head. Fly high, my drone, above the land, capture wonders vast and grand, from snowy peaks to desert sands. India's beauty in your hands. The crowded streets, the open skies, the Ganges flowing soft goodbyes. Majestic forts in golden hues, through your lens I see new views. Fly high, my drone, above the land, capture wonders vast and grand, from temple bells to forest strands. India's beauty in your hands. I see the Taj in soft moonlight, the palms that sway through dusky nights. You bring the world so close to me. Through you I touch my fantasy. The spicy markets, vibrant stalls, the echoes bouncing off old walls. With every shot I feel the pride of India's heart, where dreams collide.